My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we're talking about Filecoin. What's the current price of Filecoin? And in this video we are talking about the urgent update of Filecoin. So keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you are a holder, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for new updates about Filecoin, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently price of the Filecoin. 162.58 USD dollar is the currently price of the Filecoin at this time in the market, friends, as you can see now on the screen. And friends, if we talk about the currently price change occur in the Filecoin, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, last 1 week change as positive, friends. That's mean that only jumps occur in a Filecoin, friends. The latest and urgent update is that. Let's see for the update the price prediction chart of the Filecoin. As you can see, first of all, very congrats to all Filecoin holders. After a long time, Filecoin take a jump in really they take a high jump, as you can see here this time. Absolutely, that is a quick jump, friends, like a rocket. But now, as you know, today is the third day of a new month. It is the starting of new month, so maybe they fast down for a little time, but don't worry about this fast. That is the temporary fast of the Filecoin due to the starting of new month, friends. So please don't worry about the funding of Filecoin. Maybe they fast down now this time, maybe they fast down after 2 hours, maybe they fast down after 1 day, but the funding is confirmed in a Filecoin and the coming soon 2-3 days, friends, because due to the starting of new month, friends. So if we talk about the last 1 day price change, negative positive 1.5% positive change occur in a Filecoin, and they can hit a 163.34 USD dollar in the last 1 day, friends. Absolutely, they will make you a millionaire in 2021 if this kind of change continue in a Filecoin still this year, friends. What's your opinion about Filecoin? Please also share your opinion in the comment box, friends, and click the subscribe button right now. Like this video for my support. I need your help. Thank you so much for watching this video.